Samsung has designed a remote control to help you easily and efficiently navigate through SmartHub and Smart TV. The dual-sided, full QWERTY remote allows you to quickly enter user and login information, search parameters, messages, and more. Follow along with this video to learn how to set up your QWERTY remote control from Samsung. This dual-sided remote control comes with one side that features a more traditional infrared setup and another side that features a full QWERTY keyboard for easy navigation through SmartHub. Internal sensors in the remote automatically enable whichever side is facing up and disable the opposing side. This means you don't have to worry about accidentally pressing keys on the side you're not using while operating the remote. The QWERTY keyboard side also features an OFN, or optical finger navigation sensor, located in the center of the directional keys. This can be used as a scrolling cursor to help you easily navigate through options on SmartHub, and is especially convenient when navigating web pages through the web browser application, which is available on certain 2011 Samsung TVs. To begin using this remote, you must first properly insert batteries. To do this, start by sliding open the battery cap indicated by the 3 raised dots. Push the gray tab over until the battery tray is accessible. Insert 4 AAA batteries into the appropriate slots on the tray, and then push the tray back into the QWERTY remote and replace the battery cap. Now that the remote contains batteries, you can begin using the traditional infrared side as normal. But because the QWERTY side uses Bluetooth to communicate with your TV, you must first pair it with your Samsung television. To do this, power on your TV and be sure it is on a TV source. Now press any button on the QWERTY remote side and you should see the Need Pairing Press SIM plus Tab message appear on your remote's display. Note, if you do not see this message, try resetting your remote by facing the QWERTY side up, pressing the @ and backspace keys simultaneously, and wait to see the Reset OK message appear. To pair, hold down the SIM and Tab buttons simultaneously until you see Pairing appear on the remote's display. The remote's display will read Paired, and you will see a corresponding message on your television screen once the process is complete. If the process is not successful and you see Failure or Failed on your remote's display, you should attempt to repair your remote control. To repair your QWERTY remote, you should first do a quick reset of the TV and the remote control. To reset the television, use the traditional infrared remote side. With the TV set to the TV source and the remote pointed towards the TV, press the 0 and mute buttons sequentially for approximately 4 seconds. This reset will not affect any settings in the TV. Note that you will not see a message appear, but this process does work. Now reset the remote by holding down the @ and backspace keys until you see the Reset OK message appear on the remote screen. Now try the remote pairing process once again by holding the SIM and Tab buttons. Note that it is recommended that pairing take place within 25 inches of the television, and for best results, you should operate the remote within 20 to 25 feet. You can now enjoy all that SmartHub and Smart TV have to offer with the help of the full QWERTY keyboard remote control from Samsung.